The more you walk with God is the more things get clear. The more you walk with God is the more reveal himself. The more you walk with God is the more you get some answers. The more you walk with God, you realize that this word seems big, but as you walk and as you do it, you find that you're solving the problems that life throw at you. And some of you right now in this room need to understand that you are solving some problem that God is helping you to solve them. You are solving some things. You are dealing with some things. But if you just keep on being persistent, if you just keep on enduring, you will win in the end. It does not matter what life throws your way. One thing you must do, there is no elevator, so I must walk on the staircase. If I want to make it to where God is going to take me, if I'm going to make it in life, if I'm going to make it with my career, if I'm going to make it with my family, I just got to go on the staircase because no elevator has been provided. I just got to go through it. Somebody say, I just got to go through this process. It is a process and I just got to go through it. And I will not allow myself not to see God working. You must be able to see God working in your pain. You must be able to see God working in your trauma. You must be able to see God working in your mistakes. God did not leave you. He said, I will never leave you and I will not forsake you. Yes, I know church folks will tell you that you're alone, but if you were alone, even when you make that mistake, you were dead long time ago. But because God is by your side, you can say, if it had not been for the Lord who was on my side, hallelujah, where would I be? I know that God is with me in this process. The Bible said, if you make your bed in hell, he said God is there. If you ascend into the heaven, he said God is there. If you go in the uttermost part of the earth, he said God is there. Can somebody encourage somebody beside you and say, baby, keep on walking because God is walking with you?